Hi guys, this is Usama and welcome back to my channel JP Cars Review. The car we are going to review today, it's Nissan X-Trail new shape. This car has been in production by Nissan in 2001 and it has 3 generations. The first generation we call from 2001 to 2007, it's T30. The second generation from 2007 to 2013, it's called T31, and the last generation is from 2013 to present, it's called T32. Before starting our review, we are going to highlight the major point of this video that we are going to discuss. The major point is the exterior design, the interior quality, the major function of this car, the engine details, and the best and least thing, the demand of this car and the competitor. Be with me till the end of this video. Let's start this review. So we start our review with the exterior design. Firstly, we talk about the bonnet. Bonnet has 1, 2, 3, 4 curves that is gives elegant shape to this car, and it has wider range. The second thing is the grille. It doesn't have a simple material like a plastic. It has a very important type material, and it's give a very beautiful grille. The logo has a chrome trim and it's between the grille. If we talk about this chrome, it's very highlighted in this car because it has a cow cones, and if we go down, the bumper has different curves, shapes to attractive look of this car. If we go down grille, so there is a sensor that are the brake sensor. If you found someone in front of your car, the brake sensor automatically works. If we talk about the light, so it has a one big HD light. The light shape is like a diamond plate, and there is a one big light, one HD light, one small HD bulb, and then there is a side indicator. If we talk about the light, it has 4 HD fog lights in between the bumper. So if we review the side exterior of this car, so first fender, it has a 2 shape and down here plastic material that for dust and mud from the road. And if we talk about the tire has 17-inch of tire with the alloy wheel, and that is given by the company. And after this there is a road clearance. The road clearance is around according to Kenya standard is 6.3, and it's above 6.3 is around 7 or 7.5. So we are going to begin the review of the interior of this car. Let's have a look. First we are going to start the car. You see the audiometer and the center dial is giving very beautiful look when you start the car. Let's discussing the steering. So it's a complete power steering and covered with the leather fabric, okay, and there is cruise control that you can manage your, you can see that you can manage your cruise. Here you can manage your pedal shifter, and there is a Nissan logo that is managed in the steering. So here we review the audiometer. It has multi-function. Now we start the car with smart switch. You have seen it has many functions. You have seen that left dial is showing you the RPM and also showing the different notification, such as you can see there is a dial of 4-wheel and 2-wheel, so I can manage here. So you can see it's 2-wheel, 4-wheel locked, 4-wheel and 2-wheel now gone. You can see there is a button for when you are going down from the hills. If you talk about a center dial, you have seen there is a multi option, mileage, whatever. There you can also found the gears here, mileage here. You can also set your cruise control. The right dial is showing you the down here there is a fuel gauge, and that is audiometer. So this is a multifunction audiometer is given by this Nissan, and I really like it. If we continue the dashboard, you can see it is purely leather seats, and there is a function disc, aux cable, move forward and reverse, previous the sound and other phone calls. And if we go down there, so here you can found the climate control, fan increase, fan decrease, you can change your mood, AC and auto. If you put on auto, so both air vent give you a similar air, and if you use the dual one, I decrease this one, and if you use dual, so you can use as a climate control. You can see, so if one side is hot air, one side is cold air, you can get it. If the interesting thing is that if we use to the reverse, so here you can found the cameras, the two cameras, the sensors you can also found. This car has sensor. It means if you go near to the parking, it will give you the auto brake. There is a dial that given you 4-wheel optional and 2-wheel optional service. 2-wheel, 4-wheel, and it's locked to the 4-wheel. And this one is for if you come down from the hills and the roughy areas. This one is seated heats. It's also coming in this car. This seat will give you a very good experience. It has 7-seater car, and the space from the head and from the leg room is pretty simple. There is a one beam down here, AC vent for the passenger. The interesting thing is, if you move this down, so here is the armrest. You can create this, and you can also use this as a cup holder. And you see, this is a very interesting feature, and it's purely leather. It's purely covered by the leather. The main interesting thing, you can also move this up and use a third armrest for this third headrest. Sorry, headrest for the passenger. So if we talk about the 7 seats, the 2 back seats given by the Nissan, it doesn't have too much space from the foot. You can see there is very less space, and it cannot be so much comfortable. If we discuss the trunk of this car, so first there is a body kit, back body kit of this car, the upper spoiler given in this car, the tinted glass of this car, the back wiper, the chrome plated logo in between the trunk, and the light. One of the best features that I liked in this car, the back light is very shaped, and its division in side fender and trunk as well. It's a division light. You can see there is 2 red light brake lights, 2 side indicator lights, and 1 chrome divide in these 2 lights. If we talk about the name, this is the actual mention in that car, and the chrome is given for the number plate. If we talk about the behind bumper, though there is a plastic material that given to the this X-Trail for the off-road surface. And here is a 1 back spoiler down here you can found. So this is a very beautiful car that given by the Nissan. Flat these seats due to increase your boot space, so it can also be possible. So this is the car that have a big demand according to their trunk, because it has a huge space. You can manage 2, 3, 5 bags inside it, and you can go to the long journey and enjoy it. So as you seen, we have reviewed all the aspects of this car, the minor and the major aspects of this car. And after review this video, the buyer of this car will be able to take the decision why they are going to buy this car. The price of this car in the market of Kenya is around 2.2 million shilling. And if you talk about the parts and other things, so parts you can get not so easy. So if you get the parts, it will be expensive. If we talk about the service, so you can get the service in 5,000, the minor service, and the 20,000 for the big service. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Goodbye.